iOS device. Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss that how to erase private data from iOS device. The iOS Erase Private Data feature enables you to thoroughly remove your personal information, including your contacts, messages, call logs, photos, notes, calendars, and Safari bookmarks as well. Also, it includes your reminders and many other things that are saved in your iDevice. Additionally, you have the option to specifically target deleted data for permanent deletion. This process ensures that all the selected data is completely wiped and cannot be recovered in any way possible, and especially when you are selling your iDevices. Step 1. Access Data Eraser Tool. Download and install the latest version of Dr.Fone Data Eraser iOS on your computer and launch it. Continue to connect your iDevice to the computer by using USB cable and redirect to select Data Eraser from the available options. Step 2. Progress to erase private data. Select Erase Private Data from the left panel and observe a list of data types that come under the private data. Step 3. Select Data Types to erase. Checkmark all the data types that you wish to erase from your iPhone or other iDevice and continue to click Start on the bottom right of the screen. Step 4. Preview data and continue to erase. The screen then continues to analyze and scan all the data that is erased from the iDevice. Once done, you can preview the data on the screen in your front and navigate through the categories from the left panel. If you wish to preview the specific content, select the drop-down button on the top and select the either option of Select All or Only Show the Deleted. Continue to select the Erase button on the bottom right of the screen to initiate the process. Step 5. Confirm and erase. To confirm the operation, you will have to type in the confirmation code. Select the respective security level and continue to select Erase. Step 6. Conclude the data erasing process. Successfully erase iOS private data from your iDevice and iPhone. Keep an eye out for all the regular stream of the guideline contents that we are providing on this YouTube channel. So please make sure that you subscribe, like and share. And please don't forget to comment down if you have any other questions. See you in the next one.